In this demo, we will discuss about the Cloud Shell and the Kinesis data stream to encode and decode the certain data set. So we are going to describe the stream, consume some data from the producer and the consumer, how it is fetched from the different endpoints. So for this, what we will do, we will search for the Firehose. So out of several Firehose services, we have Kinesis Data Firehose and different other services. So we will use Firehose or data stream. All right. So for this, we will use Kinesis. So you will have to search for the Kinesis here, Kinesis, and you will see so many Kinesis analytics are there, Kinesis video streams are there, data firehose is there, but we will choose Kinesis from the services part. So I have choose the Amazon Kinesis service over here. So it makes it easy to collect, process and analyze data streams. So what we will do, we will just go to the several CLI options also, how they are going to check the versions, how they are going to send and receive the data, put the records and encode the relevant value. So what we will do, if you go to the dashboard, suppose you don't have any data, it will it will show no value. Suppose I am having data stream, so I don't have any data stream as of now. So what I'll do, I'll create data streams. All right. So for this, I'll give some name. Let's say data stream, right? Christie data stream is my stream name, and on demand option is allowing you to means without any capacity scale automatically, it is going to scale automatically. But inside the provision, you can go to the custom made shard estimator. So we can go with the minimum one and maximum 499 available shard estimator. So we are going to keep it as simple as possible for our writing capacity 1 MB per second and 1000 records per second, and read capacity is 2 MB per second. And here all the default settings are going to keep as it is. So for possible solutions together, we are going to create the data stream, and once it is going to create, you will find Christie data stream is just showing over here. So it's just creating, so you can see the applications, producers, Amazon Kinesis agents used to JavaScript applications. Amazon SDK is also given here. You can go to the GitHub code for the same. KPL, like Lambda functions and everything, that is going to display, and we can go for the same. Now Amazon Kinesis data stream are the part, all these are the consumers part, right? So you can see your status is active and you can monitor the status of these streams, how they are going to fetch the data, and in the 1 hour. So because this is a paid service, and how much we are going to paid for this, that this is the 1 hour service, right? So you can see for the last 1 hour how much data is pulled or means get the record from the server. So if you go to the dashboard, you will find some means like Kinesis, you will find some pricing value per shells 0.015 per hour dollar paid, and for put payload they are going to pay 0.14 per dollar per means 100 lakhs units, right? So I'm closing this part. So this is the configuration, and you can go to the edit capacity and everything. You can go to the means charts in letter parts once you have created, and then we can go to the another retention part and everything, right? So this is again, go to the data streams, and I'm having two data streams, Christie data stream and Sachin demo stream. So I'm going to click Christie data stream. So make sure you have this particular options. I'm going to click on CLI option, that is the Cloud Shell. right? So Cloud Shell is a browser-based shell that gives you command line access to AWS resources and selected AWS region, right? So you can pre-install and storage the and everything. So I have given previous commands. It's showing the last work. So I'm going to clear using clear command. I'm going to enlarge this one, and then you can go to the first version. So like what is the AWS version available for me? So this version is showing AWS CLI 2.12, Python, Linux, and Amazon Cloud Shell respective shells versions are showing over here, right? Now the first, if you are having CLI version 2, so you will put this command. So this is used for put record and stream name and whatever the stream name, and just paste it over here. So AWS Kinesis put record stream name. So for me, this stream name is okay. I'll have to go there to change my stream name. That is the Kristi data stream, right? So if you go there, you will find Kristi data stream is the my name, data stream name. So stream name is Kristi data stream partition key username. By default it is inheriting my credentials, and for real life example you can go for the user data, like user sign up. I'm giving user sign up data set. Like you can give like any data stream, and if you using keys you will scroll right. So suppose instead of user sign up, suppose I'm giving YouTube video 1, right? So CLI bin and enfront and raw in base 64 out, right? So this is my first command, right? You can see this first shard is created and with this sequence number 1. Suppose I am going to paste the second command and change the stream name again. So let me change the data itself. You can give any data name over here, like YouTube video, or like suppose I'm giving Facebook video 2, right? That is my data, just random data, and user 1 partition key, and just changing the stream. So for this I'm having data stream, and this is Kristi data stream, right? And just give enter. So now the second shard has been created. Similarly, I'm just going to put the second record, third records with another name. Let's say I'm going to give Instagram video 3, and this stream name is again something different. For me, this is data stream followed by Kristi, Kristi, and your data stream will be different. All right. So now you can see successfully running all 3 records successfully sent to the servers, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to the all 3 records I have put over there. So I'll go to the put clear options so that I can have clear screen over there over CLI. Now I'm going to describe the stream. So how they are showing over here. So for this I'm having command AWS Kinesis describe stream name, and you know for my stream name is something different. It is data stream followed by Kristi, right? Go to the end and hit enter. You can see all the data is shown here with the description part, shards. This is shard key. Just keep remember shard ID because this will be used in upcoming command. So common concept about the topic we are going to discuss over here. Hash key is again and ARN and Christie data stream and status is active. All right. I'm going to hit over here. And this is the second. That's it. Right. Now I'm going to clear it. Okay. If you want to end it, you can end it. CLEAR. Okay. Keeping. Okay. I can close it, and once again I can open this in new Cloud Shell. Okay. So you can see preparing my terminal, and I'm going to now you can see I just go to the actions and split into rows if you are not having that option and keeping that end again and again. So I'll go to the end option, right? So I'll run the second command to get shard IT return and stream key Christie data stream and shard ID. So I just copy the shard ID from this one, from this detail, right? You can go to the this one, right? Given into the different sections, right? So then shard iteration type should be trim horizon. So it will show all the values and all the data set over here, right? You can see it's showing all the relevant values, relevant iterators. So what I'll do, I'll go to the display data. So for this, I'm going to check this command. So this is used for AWS get records. So previously we are going to put records. Now we are going to put the get records. Now I'm going to paste this, copy this entire iterator ID and paste it over here, shard iterator, and just hit enter. Right, you can see my sequence number is just given over here. All right, if I close this one, you can see all the data sets shown here, this data one, first data, second data, and third data in the format of base 64, right? So for this base 64, what we do not, we are supposed to decode this base 64 message. So I'll go to the with this website, get keep verification, and this base 64 decode.org. So what you will do, you will just copy this data, first data courtesy, paste here and decode. So you can see YouTube video 1. This is the decode format. Suppose I'm going to copy the second message cut C and this one cut V and decode the second message. You will find Facebook video 2 is the second message. This was our second message certainly. Then next I am going to copy this the third message. So it's going to copy, paste it here and decode this one. So you will find Instagram video 3. So this is my third data set which just pulled over there, right? So this is how you can go, you can get or consume some data set. So you can consider when approaching this data stream problem, you can go to the monitor part inside the 1 hour. I'm going to minimize this portal so you can check your history set. So how to incoming data set, how to put records are going to records, how to get records are going to enables and leverages other services also. So what you will do if you want to certainly you will have to shut down this entire values. You just close the Cloud Shell and delete this data stream. So for this I'm going to delete this data stream so that no charges are applicable for my budget. So moving on to the Next deletion part, you just select this one, go to the delete and just delete this one, and this is going to delete, right? If you go to the dashboard, so certainly if you refresh it one more time, the data streams, we don't have any data streams. Delivery streams, no, we don't have any delivery stream. Certainly go to the dashboard. So see, you don't have any dashboards over here, right? So we don't have any data streams and everything, live data set for the collect, process and analyze. Thank you so much.